me go.
Front look also gets enhanced with the all-new gunmetal grey skid plate for that strong stance. It is a result of high tensile steel, hot stamp detailer and thicker door panels. It also comes with features like 6 airbags, ESC or electronic stability control, 360-degree camera and many more features. Dual tone machine alloys. These new alloys give the MG Hector an all-new stunning look, along with driving comfort. Choice of engine: 1.5-litre turbo petrol, a 48-volt hybrid engine, as well as a 2-litre diesel engine. Choice of transmission: manual or DCT automatic, which is a dual-clutch transmission automatic. CVT or continuously variable transmission with 8-speed auto, an eco mode and a sports mode will give you more choice for your driving needs. The champagne and black theme all across on the front dashboard or also the fascia, the seats as well as on the door panel. This entire combination enhances the premiumness of the MG Hector 2021. We now have ventilated seats, a wireless charger for your mobile, the flat floor that already exists on the rear of the MG Hector, which gives you that extra comfort and legroom. For internet. After all, it's India's first internet SUV grade on the iSmart through over-the-air updates of what we call as Spota. We also have the AccuWeather now to help you to know the weather conditions of the place you're starting from as well as where you're driving. Additionally, now the new updated iSmart has many more new features for your convenience and enhancement. In the new Hector, we have amped up the design and style quotient to the next level. The key exterior design changes include all-new thermo-pressed bold chrome front grille, gunmetal grey skid plates both front and rear, stylish dual-tone 18-inch alloys, and the new rear tailgate garnish. All in all, making it a very compelling proposition. All new dual-tone champagne and black theme all across the front fascia, seats and door panels. Ventilated seats now, as well as the wireless charger for convenience to charge your mobile on the go. Enhanced iSmart with English voice commands, external Wi-Fi source ability, smartwatch compatibility, and many. CVT uses a combination of 2 pulleys linked by a belt system, thereby enabling a smooth driving experience. The CVT transmission will be a good fit for you. And if you are looking for a sportier or an engaging drive experience, then maybe the DCT automatic fits your requirement. But ultimately, the choice is as per your requirement. The CVT automatic and the DCT automatic, both the choices are available to you. And we achieve our 555 package, which is 5 years of unlimited kilometers warranty, 5 years of RSS support, and 5 labor-free services, offering you complete peace of mind.